Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put your link in your TikTok bio. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to the profile section of your TikTok application. Now go to the three-dot line button from the top right corner and click on the settings and privacy option. Now at the first place you can see a button account. Click on this button. Now at the third place you can see another button that is switch to business account. Click on this button. Now click the next button. Now choose a category that you are working on. I'm selecting media and entertainment. Click next. Put your email address here. Click add. Now click maybe later and you can see that you are all set. Now go to your profile section again. Click edit profile. Go to your bio section. Now easily you can put your link here and you can save it. That's how easily you can put your link on your TikTok bio. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.